In this video, we will demonstrate how to configure portlets in CA PPM. The access rights that are required for configuring portlets are Administration Studio, Portlet Edit All. To configure a portlet, hover over the Administration menu and click on the Portlets link under the CA Clarity Studio section. This page displays a list of all the available portlets in the system. For this example, let's filter and configure a grid portlet. Enter project details in the portlet name field and select grid by clicking on the drop-down list corresponding to the type field. Click on Filter. Click on the project details link. This page displays the general properties of the portlet. Hover over the List Column Section tab and click on the Layout link. This page displays the available columns that can be selected and sorted. In the Column Layout section, select an attribute to include in the portlet. Move to the attribute to the Selected Column section using the arrow keys. Repeat the above steps until all necessary attributes have been selected. The order of sorting can be declared under Column Sorting section. Click on Save. Now hover over the List Column Section tab and click on the Fields link. By default, this page displays the available column fields that are selected in the portlet. To view all fields in the portlet, select All from the drop-down list corresponding to the display field and click on Go. The column label, display type, and other related properties of a field can be edited by clicking on the Properties icon corresponding to each field. Hover over the List Column Section tab and click on the Options link. The List Option page appears. The Secondary Value Display option will decide when and how a secondary value will be displayed on a grid cell. Choose Mouse Over when there is no secondary value to display. Choose Mouse Over and redline text to display the secondary comparison value when you place the cursor over a cell in a grid. Choose Show Null Secondary Values to display the secondary value when there is no number value to show. The Filter section decides when to display the data in a portlet. You can select rows per page depending on your preferences. Select Highlight Row by Attribute to show the attribute whose row is highlighted when the attribute value is not 0. Select Display Currency Code in Column to specify whether to display the currency code in the column for money attributes. Select Allow Configuration to specify if a user can change the appearance of a page or a portlet. Select Allow Label Configuration to specify whether a user can change a page or portlet label. This option works with the Allow Configuration option. Attribute Value Protection gives 3 options for what information will populate. The primary use of this condition is to prevent secured information from populating to general users. Hover over the List Column Section tab and click on Aggregation link. Click on Add. Here, aggregation operations such as sum, average, and count can be performed on designated attributes. Click on Save and Return. Hover over the List Filter section tab and click on the Layout link. This page displays the portlet filter layout. Select all fields that need to be added to portlet filter layout by moving the attributes from the Available section to either Selected Left column or Selected Right column. Enter the section title to define the text that appears at the top of the section for the filter. Default filter state can also be selected as either collapsed or expanded. Select Allow Power Filter checkbox to specify whether the filter is to provide advanced search features. Click on Save. Hover over the List Filter section tab and click on the Fields link. This page displays the list of selected attributes in the portlet. To display all available attributes, select All under the Display field. Properties related to each attribute can be modified if required by clicking on the Properties icon corresponding to each attribute respectively. To learn more, refer to the following topics: Portlet Overview and Types of Portlets.